This video is owned by Crappy Design Industries.
Get up! Oh, you never school! I have school! Everyone, it's me! It's 10 a.m. Oh no! Get up for school! Hi, I'm Steven, and I'm the father of David. David has always been late to everything. I don't know what's wrong with him. I try to be the best father I can, but it just doesn't work. He keeps getting late to school, getting late to appointments. He's just always late. I need a way to fix it. Where did he go?
Hi, my name is General Pierre, and I present to you the Wakey Wakey 9000's Wake Up Alarm System.
The Wakey Wakey 9000s come with 3 attachments: home defense, barbecue, and alarm. Let's start with the home defense attachment. As you can see, the design is very human. For people who are concerned, this thing can kill. It's super safe and can be trusted. Just look at this stick. It's not sharp. Totally a stick. Like, stick. Yeah, stick. And if you're still being mad because you think it's not a stick, here's an example of how it works.
I'm really satisfied with this product. As you can see, it works really well. Just look at this example.
Wow, isn't that a really satisfied client? Next up on the list is the barbecue attachment, but unfortunately it won't be available because of accidental past injuries. Yeah, totally accidental. Like, accidental. Don't worry, I know you're excited for the price, so this is the last attachment, the alarm one. For starters, we downloaded every single type of the worst alarm sound there is, so you'll never hear the same alarm again. And lastly, since the point of it is that you don't fall asleep, the alarm won't stop until you catch the toy. Here's a quick example of how it works. Wow, that was so entertaining, yeah. At this point, our product's so great you probably think it's a scam, but to prove it's not, we got David from earlier to explain how he feels about our product.
Hi everyone, I'm David, and I just want to let you know that the Wakey Wakey 9000 completely changed my life. First, my dad's depression just went off because
Kill myself!
it helped him a lot, and you know, he's not even crying anymore, and yeah. So now I just want to tell you that it can also cook you a very good meal because for all we can't afford a microwave. It's very good and tasty, and so I just want to show you this very good product made by Crappy Design Inc. And yeah, have a nice day.
Yo dude, where's the Wakey Wakey?
It's in the garbage.
Yeah.
Wow, that was amazing. Thank you, David. We're pleased to know that you enjoy our product. Next, since we're rich, we decided to pay Dwayne Johnson to use our product and give his opinion.
Hi, I'm Dwayne Johnson, and today I want to talk to you about this amazing product I found called the Wakey Wakey 9000. This alarm system is so much better than anyone I've ever seen before. This alarm system wakes me up every day on time, protects my home, and even cooks me meals. This is amazing. Completely changed my life habits. I even painted my hair blue. I don't have hair, so I basically just painted my head blue. Same thing, alright? I really wanted to talk to you about that. You can find them at 555-242-6969 or on this email right here, crappydesigninc@gmail.com.
Wow, thanks Dwayne. We're glad to see you enjoy our product. Now for the final part that everyone was waiting for. Yes, you guessed it, the price. Now I'm sure you expect this product to cost like 90 bucks or something, but no, since our product is so cool and amazing, we made it $29.99. Only 3 payments of $29.99 and you could get the amazing Wakey Wakey 8000. But that's not all. Call now and you could get the exclusive peeping cam attachment. Yeah, that's a good one, huh? You get it? After buying the Wakey Wakey 8000, it's totally yours, so it's not our problem. So if you die or someone die, don't get us to court because we won't answer. It may also cause major injuries like burning your house or kill someone. So like I said before, it's not our problem, so yeah. We also don't have a refund or return option, so if you lose it or get stolen, it's not our problem, just get lost. This video is owned by Crappy Design Industries, so I swear if I see 1% staying this video, I'm gonna get to your house, burn it, and put a lot of Wakey Wakeys in your bed. Haha, bye.